Hello learners, welcome to the second part of Geography, Maharashtra State Board in the first chapter the Earth and the Graticule. Now the further explanation is meridians of longitudes. Now let us discuss some information given in the textbook page number 6. You will realize that the lines drawn from point A, B and C makes angle at M. The center of the earth on the plane of the equator. Through these points we can draw semicircle joining the poles. Starting with point A, we can draw similar semicircles through point placed at each degree. These semicircles are known as the meridians of longitude. Now further the explanation of these meridians we will discuss with the help of some diagrams. One of this meridian is considered to be 0 degree. It is known as the prime meridian. So line which is coming from the prime meridian, that will be the 0 degree and it is from the equator side. The angular distance of the another meridian from the prime meridian are measured in degree and are called longitudes. So there will be a different degrees given in the longitude and in the latitude of the lines. You have done this in the activity based on figure 1.9. The 0 degree and 180 degree meridians lie opposite on the globe. So you will find on the globe, when I will be explaining you on the paper of how the globe and it is divided 180 degree, there will be a different longitude and the latitude lines which will be having a different distance. Forming a circle, this circle divides the earth in the eastern and the western hemisphere. So you are having the equator and the semicircle which is divided, it will be the western part also, and from the eastern hemisphere also there will be the two portion of that divides. All meridians are equal in size, so there will be the distance of the meridians will be the equal in size. Meridian in the eastern hemisphere are labeled as 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 135 degree east, etc. While in the western hemisphere they are labeled as 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 135 degree west, etc. So we can give any kind of a degree as per the question has been asked, or we can assume it. 30 degree east is the semicircle that joins all places at an angular distance of 30 degree from the prime meridian. Some of them are Cairo, Harare and Durban in Africa. In C figure 1.6. So we are having some different distance at a different degree of the meridians. So you will find with the help of the diagrams. Though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of places on the earth using latitude and latitude. So with the help of latitudes and longitude, we come to know what is the size of the earth and how much it rotates. It rotates how much? It rotates 24 hours in one day. That you all know, or we can say as 24 degree, it can come as a 360 degree also. In 24 hours it revolves around 360 degree and it coming at the same place also. Rotate करने के बाद वो फिर से वही जगह पे आ जाता है earth. So keep this in mind. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallel is the same everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent meridian is not the same everywhere. So there will be the different lines of the meridians you will find on that earth. We can see this event on the segment of our orange. The distance between the meridian is the maximum on the equator and goes on reducing towards the pole. At the pole it is 0. So it is also going back and it is also coming written ahead of that lines. So where there will be the meridian lines, there will be the equator also. Equator always divides the eastern part also and the northern hemisphere also, or we can say as the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Because of this only the equator passes. Moving to the next information. The distance between any two adjacent parallel is 100 km on the surface of the earth. So there will be the surface of the earth, the distance will be 111 km from the earth, and there will be the two adjacent, means two poles will be there, like south poles and north poles. The distance between two adjacent meridian is also 111 km on the equator. So there will be the also same distance we will find near the equator. To locate the place within the distance of 111 km exactly, we need to divide the units degree into smaller units. Degrees are divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. Conventionally, latitudes and longitude are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. So we are also having different times and second as compared to the Indian times and as compared to the Greenwich Meridian times. Greenwich Meridian times always lies to the international timings, and we are having IST, Indian Standard Time. So there will be the different timings as compared to the Indian Standard Time and as compared to the international times. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. This value are expressed using the symbol degrees. So you can see that they are having minutes different symbol, seconds different symbol. So this you have to remember. This can be asked in the exam as a fill in the blanks. So keep in mind all this information. Moving to the next explanation, that is a globe. That all information we will include in this explanation.